Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Upwork, even if you're just starting out. If you're serious about freelancing, these tips will help you land your first gig and build a killer reputation. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to create a strong profile. Fill out every section completely. Upload a professional photo, write a detailed summary of your skills, and list your work experience. Choose a niche. What are you really good at? Graphic design, web development, writing, marketing? Highlight those skills and use relevant keywords so clients can find you. And don't forget to add a professional portfolio. Showcase your best work to gain trust with potential clients. Next up, setting your rates. Do some research. Check out what other freelancers in your field are charging. Don't undercut yourself, but be competitive. If you're new, it can be smart to start with lower rates to get those first few reviews. As you gain experience, you can gradually increase your rates. Now it's time to find jobs to apply for. Browse through Upwork's job listings in categories that match your skills. When you find a job you like, write a custom proposal. Tailor it specifically to the client's needs. Show that you've read the job description and explain exactly how you can solve their problem. Mention any past experience relevant to the job and offer suggestions on how you'd approach the project. Building relationships with clients is key. Communicate clearly and professionally. Be prompt in your responses and keep clients updated. Always aim to exceed expectations by delivering high-quality work on time. A good reputation will help you land more jobs in the future. And remember, happy clients can lead to repeat business. Reviews are crucial for building your reputation. Deliver excellent work and you'll get high ratings. Be consistent in your quality, meet deadlines, and respond quickly to messages. Over time, this consistency will build your reputation on the platform. Use your Upwork Connects wisely. These are credits that let you apply for jobs. You get a limited number of free connects each month, so apply strategically. Go for jobs that align with your skills and have a high chance of success. Optimize your profile for search by using relevant keywords. This makes it easier for clients to find you. Incorporate these keywords in your title, summary, and skills sections. Stay organized by using Upwork's tools. Keep track of your time and communicate with clients through Upwork's messaging and time tracking tools. Set deadlines and milestones for larger projects to ensure you're paid for work done. Consider offering a variety of services. If you're proficient in multiple areas, you could offer combined services like writing and SEO. This can open up more opportunities and help you stand out. Focus on high-demand categories like web development, design, content writing, and digital marketing. These areas tend to have more job opportunities. Lastly, be patient and persistent. It might take time to land your first few jobs, but don't give up. Network and engage in the Upwork community. By following these steps and continuously improving your skills, you'll be well on your way to earning money on Upwork. Best of luck. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.